The Breaks feature of the Scholastic Network enables schools to visually show students the amount of time until their next class starts. This visual reminder helps reduce tardiness and keep students moving through the hallways. To set up your break times, from the dashboard, go to Messages and select the Breaks tab. From here, click Create Break. Give the break a name, maybe something like break between first and second classes. Choose the school. Add a text message to display along with the timer. Set the start and end times and the days. Remember, if your school uses an A-B schedule, set different timers for A days and B days. Select a background color for the timer. Using a bright background grabs more attention than plain black and white. Lastly, click the Add Screens button to choose the screens where the break clock needs to show. When choosing screens, be aware that the break feature only works in 3-tile format and only in the left tile. This consistency ensures students always know where on the screen to look for their timer. The break clock automatically takes over the left tile content for the scheduled break time. Once the break ends, regular programming resumes. If for some reason the clock on the Scholastic Network server and your clock get off by a couple of seconds, and that does happen, albeit rarely, easily adjust the break clock so that the two are in sync. If, for example, you're behind by 3 seconds, then add 3 seconds to the timer. This means no bell recalibration, just a simple change in the Scholastic Network and the clocks match.